Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to filter sensitive content on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Tap your profile picture icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap three lines menu at the top right corner. Tap Settings. From Settings page, tap Account. Under Account section, you will see Sensitive Content Control. Tap Sensitive Content Control. Control how much sensitive content you see. Tap Continue. On this page, you are given the three options of how much sensitive control you wish to allow. If you are
Under
18,
18.
you might not be able to choose the option. From here, you can choose more, standard, or less. If you choose standard, you might see some sensitive content. If you choose less, you might see less sensitive content. From here, choose your settings and hit confirm. That's it. These are the steps to filter sensitive content on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.